This quick video is about how to delete all your watch and search history on YouTube using Android and iPhone. Okay, let's see. First, on your Android or iPhone, just open YouTube. Then click here. Then click on Settings. Now tap History and Privacy. Here you will see clear option for watch and search history. Let's tap Clear Watch History. Just hit Clear Watch History. That's it. Now watch history was cleared. Now it's time for search history. Just click that and clear search history. That's it. Let's check that. Now it's gone. This list has no videos. Now you successfully deleted your YouTube search and watch history using your mobile. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.